நான் எடுத்துக்க போறேன். While crossing a bridge, he saw another dog in the stream in front of reflections. The dog wishes to eat the meat also. The dog dropped at the reflection. So meat fell in the stream. The hungry dog went away unhappily because of his greediness.
Very good.